What is domain life cycle? Is domain available or not? Go to www.temok.com. Navigate to domain registrations. Search any domain name. Your domain is available in com, net and org now. Get registered. Add to cart and proceed to checkout. Select necessary features. Fill out your personal information. And complete your order. Website hosting and email services will function. Your domain gets expired. You can renew it within almost 40 days. In redemption grace period, renewal is possible with extra fee. Domain will goes to pending deletion. Finally released and available for anyone. Subscribe our channel and visit www.temok.com.